Welcome to Creative Cooking. If you like Big Macs, you're going to love these. But you're going to have to start with the sauce. You know, that secret sauce, or how do they call it, special sauce? And it's made with ingredients that you probably already have on hand. Mayonnaise, mustard. We have apple cider vinegar, barbecue sauce, onion and garlic powders, some paprika, salt, and sweet pickle relish. Here's the list. If you need to read it through, you can pause the video here, or you can go into the description below and everything is listed there as well. You'll want to mix it all up good and then put a cover on it, okay, and put it in the refrigerator and allow those flavors to combine. And what we have here is a taco-sized tortilla. And we're going to take our ground beef and press it right into the tortilla. I didn't pre-season because I'm making this for several people, so I'll season them individually with a little salt and pepper. Oh, and don't forget that little karate chop. You know, that's there to create a weakness for when you fold it. And once you're done doing all this prep work over here, you know, salt and pepper, then go ahead, bring it over to the stove. What I'm using here is a very old but wonderful griddle. I'm going to prepare that with a little bit of oil and put that meat side down and start to cook it. Alright, you can press it down with a spatula if you want to make sure it sticks. And after a little while, just check to see if it's cooked. If it's still pink, you might want to keep it on for about another 30 seconds or so. And then check it again. And if it looks good, go ahead and flip it. And what's going to happen here when you flip it over is it'll start to dry it out a little bit on the bottom, but it will stay soft. And it's going to create an edge. Okay, you're going to notice that it's starting to brown on the edges a little bit. And we'll throw on some cheese. And one note about the cheese is that McDonald's uses the yellow, you know, that yellow-orange colored cheese, which has spices that give it that color. And it also affects the flavor a little bit, but I'm just using a good quality white American cheese, and it's going to work out just fine. Alright, take it off the heat and bring it back to the table, where we'll put on all the fixings. How does the old saying go, the jingle? 2 all beef patties, special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun? Well, we don't have the sesame seed bun, but we do have a tortilla. So we'll go ahead and we'll put all of those wonderful vegetables on there, including some pickles. Now, some people don't like pickles, you can leave that out, but I happen to like pickles, so I'm going to go ahead and put them on mine. And the sauce, and this is what really makes it a Big Mac, is the sauce. And since you made so much of it, you don't have to skimp when you put it on the taco, alright? No skimping here. That's what makes it a Big Mac. And then all you have to do is fold it up. And believe me when I tell you, this tastes like a Big Mac. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you come back each week for more great videos made for people who like to cook. Until then, bon appetit.